This is the Hyundai I30N. A hot hatch so fast, so astonishingly loud, and so ruthlessly fun. It's been my trusty comrade for 30,000 kilometers. That's 30,000 kilometers of joy, adrenaline, and occasional sheer terror. After 30,000 kilometers, the honeymoon period is over. Has it held up, or has it begun to fall apart like a politician's promises after an election? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the drive. The 2-liter engine produces 206 kilowatts, which doesn't sound like much until you are tearing up the mountain like I am right now. The steering, pinpoint. The suspension, as firm as the cues at home affairs. And the noise. The noise. It sounds like a vuvuzela on steroids announcing a call at FNB Stadium. But 30,000 kilometers in, is the performance still there? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's still there. It's still there. The suspension is thrilling on the twisties, but it's as hard as going through some Joburg potholes there that you guys go through in CBT. Oh, man. Oh, still is something else. Now, reliability. Let's get straight to the point. It hasn't been perfect. Yes, there was that breakdown, a fault with the fuel pump. But would I call it unreliable? Nah. For a car this mad, it's been surprisingly very well behaved. And then there's the Hyundai I30N magic. So that is NGS right there, N-pin shift. Gives the car an overboost of plus 7% when you press that button. Then there's N power shift, N track sense. All of these functions make the I30N the beast that it is. Inside it's a mixed bag. The seats are superb, bolstered like a rugby player's shoulders but comfortable enough for long drives. The steering wheel, perfectly chunky. The infotainment system, brilliant apart from one tiny issue. It takes forever to load. So 30,000 kilometers in, what do I think of the I30N? It's flawed, it's firm, it's loud, and it's very expensive to run. It's a car that puts a smile on your face every time you get behind the wheel. And all I can say is, with all of its flaws and all of its creaks and everything, it's an amazing car. It's an amazing car.